Hey, did you know that after being underground for like 5 years, a bamboo will spring up and shoot up 90 feet in like 30 days? Yep, that's right. And the same kind of energy is propelling momentum with Sparky AI right now. And if you want to learn how to grow and profit from Sparky AI, just stick with me through the rest of this video. All right, so if you're a gig worker or somebody who's working a job and maybe even doing gig work on the side, and you're just kind of trading your time for money, you don't feel like you have any upward mobility available, you don't have very many options, and you're just feeling kind of stuck. You're on the hamster wheel of hell. That's what it's like. It's like the hamster wheel of hell. I know what that feels like. I've had both a traditional job. I've actually worked for myself. I was a painting contractor before, and I know what it's like to try to operate a business and build a business, and it's not easy. And neither is working for somebody else. That can be a real pain in the ass sometimes. Trying to please your boss and having to listen to him or her. Tell you when you can take a break and when you can take a lunch, and asking permission to go to the bathroom. Oh man, it's bad news. Bad news sometimes. I've been in some pretty awful types of employment, and that's not for everybody. And this video isn't for everybody, and this opportunity isn't for everybody. I'm not even gonna try to even promote it as like that, but it is a great opportunity if you are looking for one and you're exploring the options that you might have, which is really smart, because you know that trading your time for money is not going to get you where you want to be. It just isn't, because at the end of the day, if you're not working, you're not getting paid. And you've probably felt it in some way or another when something happens in your life, whether it's an emergency, a car accident, a car repair problem, you're sick, yeah, we got some benefits, but shoot, my son, he got fired from a job. He got let go, I should say, because he overextended his benefits, and it was for good reason, but hey, policies are policies, and it was a really good job. And, sometimes jobs downsize, so those benefits are kind of fragile sometimes. They aren't they're not etched in stone. And, when you're a gig worker, shoot, you don't have any safety net. And if you can't work, you don't get paid. And I know what that's like too. So what do you do about that? Well, you have to find a way to create a passive residual income. That takes some investment on your part. Means that you got to take some of the money that you have now and you got to put it into something that's going to grow and it's going to produce results in a way that is creating a passive residual income. What does that mean? That means like Costco. Costco has a membership model. Yeah, they have all the bulk items and everything that people can buy, but the membership is what really, is probably a big part of their income. And they get that month after month, if you break it down. Yeah, they're yearly memberships, but, well, let's look at it that way. That's their yearly membership. So people re-sign up every year, and it's like a windfall of money that comes in every year on like clockwork. Very little attrition, and they're adding on new members all the time. Netflix, that's a better kind of membership model that is a good example, because that's month to month. So, and there's very little attrition because people enjoy the shows and they're always putting out fresh content. So it's pretty awesome, right? And so you can see how the power of a membership-based model that's paying you on a monthly basis. And that's what you want. That's passive residual income right there. And that's what this opportunity provides for you. But not even just that, because why it's so awesome is because it's working for you in autopilot. So that means that it's not going to take any more time away from you. Let me say that again, because that truck was going by really fast. It's not going to take any more time away from you when you're doing gig work or your regular job. It's going to be working for you on autopilot, and all you got to do is make a small investment. You could get started for as little as free without a credit card, just to check it out and then connect with me on the dashboard. My name, my number, everything's going to be there. And if you have any questions, and then you can also get started for as little as $20 a month. Well, $20 the first month, and then $50 a month after that. And yeah, so you can create a passive residual income with 25% commissions when people who come in as leads become members. And wow, it's going to be something that builds and builds and builds month after month. But the cool thing is that there's an assurance built into the system that if you're on 2 of the membership levels, at two out of the 3 membership levels, where if you're not in profit mode in the first 3 months, they're no longer going to charge you your membership, but they're going to keep giving you leads until you are in profit mode. You're not going to get a deal like that anywhere else. No place, no other company is going to give you an assurance that you're going to be in profit mode in 90 days, or they won't charge you anymore. But they'll still keep giving you leads. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. But that's how it is. So if you're interested in an opportunity like that and you want to learn more, got to click on the link below in the description or the comments and connect with me. Leave me a comment if you got questions. Happy to answer them. Check out some of my other videos, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.